Hi Libra, so this is going to be your end of July reading. So we're just going to look into the general energies, see what the cards have to offer for guidance. I just want to say one thing. A lot of the signs have been getting messages of being really firm about what is not serving you any longer in your life. I feel like it might have to do with the eclipse happening this mid-month, but whatever's kind of dead weight in your life, just let it go gracefully. Let it leave. It's hard energy. There's a lot of repeating messages for a lot of the signs. So just know that this energy is here for your good. I feel that strongly. Most of the signs, it's like it sucks something out and something else replaces it. But anything that's not in your highest good, just kind of surrender. It'll make this process a whole lot easier. This is the energy of shakeups in our home, Uranus and Taurus. Eclipses. It would help you. I suggest getting a reading from an astrologer to better understand yourself, divine timing, things that are going on in the sky now, because I feel like the more you understand it, the easier it'll be to observe it and not react to it and let things just go easier. I feel like that'll make the month go by easier. Going with the flow. I feel that strongly. So, center of your reading. The bottom of the deck. The Tower. Feeling trapped, not knowing which path to go, which way to go, feeling restricted, feeling like something isn't working right, or something is... Something could be leaving your life as well with this Tower here. Shakeups. Needing to pause for a moment. These are necessary energies to go through to move on. What's going to help or hinder this for Libra? What's going to help or hinder this? Ooh. Okay. 8 of Swords to 9 of Wands. Just feeling really burdened. Maybe feeling really alone. I feel a little bit alone. Even if you're with a partner, it feels like you have no help. You have no support right now. Something is illuminating this for you. Ooh. Bottom of the deck, the Moon. Secrets, the unknown, worrying possibly about the unknown. Trust that all of the difficult things in the past are in the past for a reason. Cut the cords from the past. Make a dream vision board. Dream a good dream this time. This is you co-creating your life. Get out of this energy. Again, you are the 5th sign I've done. Every single sign has gotten this energy. Heavy. So if everybody else is in this energy, be careful. Watch this energy come and leave, because people might be on there, irritable. People might be irritable in their emotions, stressed, burdened. What's in the subconscious for Libra? What's in Libra's subconscious? Wanting to move away from this quickly. I don't blame you. This could be some sort of passionate news or endeavor that you're wanting to move fast on. You could be going somewhere, escaping. Do it. What's in the past? Oof. The Tower. Yeah. Shakeups and instability. Things weren't working. Your soul wanted a change too. What's the present energy for Libra? What's in Libra's present energy? Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. This must be the eclipse energy because everybody's getting this. Something leaves, the wheel turns, and you get what you want. This is karma coming back in. It's the energy of Saturn retrograde. This is, it feels like almost instantaneous. It's like really fast moving energy. It's like something exits, something enters. The wheel spins quickly, I feel here. What's in the future for Libra? What's in the future for Libra? It could be with a fixed sign. Something could be changing with a fixed sign. We have Scorpio here twice, Taurus, Aquarius, and Leo. Feeling left out in the cold. Feeling alone, I feel. Feeling alone. The dust is settling here from this tower. It's just a period of patience. You're not alone. That's just an illusion. This is your disconnect from spirit, from trusting. The Wheel of Fortune is bringing you in really great things. I feel that strongly. Please clarify this Five of Pentacles in the future. Please clarify this Five of Pentacles. The Magician. Something is in the works. You're co-creating your own destiny. I feel like the Wheel of Fortune wants to come in and give you what you want, but it's on delay because you don't know what you want. What do you really want? What's the end game? What is the end dream? Manifest it. Write it down. Create a vision board again. Let the universe know how to give you what you want. This is a new beginning. Something new is coming in for you guys. The Lovers. It could be two choices. It could be love. An actual lover. This is your power. This is divinely guided. This is going to make you feel wonderful. Ooh. The Ace of Swords. Divinely brought in from spirit. News. Something that sparks change, sparks a new beginning. Something big. What's this Ace of Swords about? The World. Wow, something really big. You could be traveling. This is big expansion. You could be traveling with somebody or hoping to, or you could be deciding between two places. This is fast. What does Libra need to know? What does Libra need to know? What does Libra need to know? They're coming out of this energy of feeling defensive. Let your guard down. There's no reason to fight against what is coming in. Let this energy come. The only battle you have is against these energies. Yourself, being in your own mind, holding on to these burdens, being trapped by your own burdens. Let them go. Set yourself free. Go on an adventure. Wheel of Fortune with the world. Something huge is coming in for you guys. Holy moly. What's the outcome for Libra? What's the outcome for Libra? Strength. You're going to need to tame any self-doubt. Ooh, in the bottom of the deck, the Sun. The Sun, the world, massive expansion, the Wheel of Fortune, the Magician creating it. This is a huge end of the month. Look how many major arcanas are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Expect the unexpected. Expect to make decisions quickly. Expect to come out of your mind. Whatever you can do, center yourself. Do meditations to come out of this illusion of burden. The faster you will overcome this future energy of Five of Pentacles, feeling like sorry for yourself, because what you really need to be doing is manifesting what you want, because it's coming in. If you're not ready, it can be really shocking. You could doubt yourself. Again, the Sun. You're going to be feeling really good. This is a really positive reading. This is like going with the flow of life. It's like life finally falls into place. You've co-created this and you have a new life. This feels like a new life. There is a clear divide between these heavy energies here and the future. It's like all good. Whoa, and right behind this is the Ten of Cups. Emotional fulfillment, happy home, happy family, joy. All right, well, Libra, what a interesting reading, good reading. If you guys need a reading from me, I'm happy to do them. I'll leave my information below. Otherwise, it looks like you guys actually have a really good month, end of month ahead of you. So I wish you well and take care, guys. All right, bye.